Assalamu alaikum first of all. Welcome back to my another new English factories video. This is my Pranto. Today I am gonna to tell you now in this video the land place view. You can see my behind part, the land is being cleared by the tractor. So we have two new types of food cultivate, that's why the land is tilled. Actually, before new types of food cultivate, our farmer we are bound to till this field, otherwise new types of food cultivates impossible. So few days ago this field had corn, and this corn harvested, this corn harvest complete, that's why this land this land is cleansing by the tractor. You can see this is tractor view. My place have these types of tractor. That's why our place farmer is very happy. They can use this type of tractor. Before 10 years, 15 years ago, didn't have this type of machine, so that time field place it was very hard. So right now all types of cultivate machine my village beside and my village people have, so that my village people is very happy. So this is my field. After 1 day 2 day later I will open this field zoot, so that we have to place this field properly. That's all about today's video topic.